Hey, what's going on, everybody? Game Gizer here. I thought I'd post this video because I thought this was a really cool product. I've had this for about 2 years now. The brand is called InSinkErator. Kind of reminds you of Terminator. And this one is, I think, an older model. It's the Evolution Supreme SS. And I can't remember the exact specs on it. I think it's 1 horsepower or 1.5. But it's got 3 grinders in it and some sound sealers. And I believe it came with a 10-year warranty. And this is my favorite garbage disposal that I've had in ever. So I just thought I wanted to show you guys how cool this thing is. So I'm gonna cut up a bunch of old cuties we have sitting around, and let me let you hear the sound. Hear how quiet that is? That's awesome. Anyways, I'm going to throw in a little clip here of me chopping down some cuties and some other stuff that was in the sink. And check it out. This thing's the bomb. See how strong it is here.
Oh my gosh.
Just shove them in there. Well, let's see what happens. It says it can handle rib bones, so this shouldn't be a problem, right? Oh, they're gone. Smells good over here now. Well, my friends, that is my InSinkErator there. I just wanted to share this in case, you know, maybe some of you home improvers are out there and you're just wondering about this brand. I have no complaints whatsoever. I installed this thing in one day, in like an hour, taking my time, doing it by myself. Got it in here. This is pretty heavy. This thing is pretty monstrous, but it makes up for it with performance. And, you know, I originally, when I first bought this thing, wanted to kind of do a video of it, but I didn't have good recording stuff, and I have nothing to post today, so I was like, you know what? Let me share this. This brand is amazing. These things are awesome. I love them. Everything I've ever shoved down them, it's chewed them up. They're very fast, no hesitation, and it did a good job, and it did it quietly. So if you're on the fence about this brand, InSinkErator, these things are amazing. Go check them out. Catch you next time.